Your Windows 11 desktop does not have to look boring. In this video, I gave Windows 11 a stunning new look using Windhawk, a custom theme, a custom icon pack, and a beautiful dock. I customized the start menu, taskbar, file explorer, desktop icons dock, and even the minimize animation to make everything look clean, smooth, and premium. You will see full setup step by step. I am installing new icons, changing the desktop style, making Windows 11 feel more modern. And this is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. So watch the video and let's transform your Windows 11 into a fresh and stylish desktop. So let's dive into the video. First, you have to create a restore point. Click on search and type here create. It is always a good practice to create a restore point before we do anything with our system. Click on your C drive, then click on create and give it a name. Then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong while customizing, you can restore your system using this restore point. And one more thing, this customization doesn't consume much RAM or resources, so feel free to use it. I'll also show you how much RAM or resources use this customization. Restore point has been created. Now first you have to download and install this tool. I'll put the link in the description box. After downloaded, you have to install it. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator, then you have to install it. I already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So after installation, we have to apply the theme. First copy these theme files, go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to Windows, go to resources, go to themes and paste it here. Then click on continue. Now we have to apply the theme. For apply the theme, right click on your desktop, click on personalize. Then click on theme. And now we have to select this cloudy theme. Just click on it, so it will apply the theme. So as you can see, theme has been applied. If you don't install this tool, this theme doesn't work on your system, so make sure you install it. And now after further customization, you have to download and install this tool called Windhawk. Just go to its official website and click on download. After downloaded, you have to install it. It is pretty easy to install. After installation, you'll see an interface like this. And now we have to install icon pack. First click on browse for mods and then open this folder, open Windhawk folder and open this readme text. And first of all, we have to install this resources redirect. Open Windhawk and search for it. Then you have to click on details and install it. To apply the icon pack, first open this folder, open this icon pack folder. Now copy this icon pack, go to documents and create a folder called system icon. Then open this folder, right click on it and paste it here. Then right click on this folder and click on copy as path. Then open Windhawk, click on settings, scroll down and here you can see this theme path. Just paste it here and remove this quotation mark. Then click on save. Okay, some icon has not changed yet. To fix this, you have to enable disable folder thumbnails and click on save. Then click on yes. So as you can see, icon has showing now. Now open this folder again, open Windhawk folder, open this readme text, and now we have to install Windows 11 File Explorer installer. Click on Explore and search for it, then click on Details and install it. Now open this folder again, open Windhawk folder and open File Explorer Styler and copy this entire script. Now click on Windows 11 File Explorer Styler Advanced section and replace it here. Then click on Save. Now we have to apply the minimize animation. To add minimize animation, we have to install macOS minimize animation. Click on Explore and search for it. Then click on Details and install it. So it will add macOS style minimize effect. Now we have to install Taskbar on top Windows 11. Click on Explore and search for it. Then click on Details and install it. Okay. Now right click on your taskbar and go to Taskbar settings. Scroll down, click on Taskbar Behavior. Then taskbar alignment, set it center to left. Now we have to install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on Explore and search for it. Click on Details and install it. Now open this folder again. Open Windhawk folder and open this Taskbar Styler and copy this entire script. Click on Advanced and replace it here. Then click on Save. So it will register the Taskbar Styler and now we have to install taskbar height and icon size. Just search for it, click on Details and install it. Now open this folder again, open Windhawk folder and open taskbar height and icon size and copy this script. Click on Advanced and replace it. Then click on Save. And now we have to install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on Explore and search for it. Click on Details and install it. Now open Start Menu Styler script and copy this entire script. Click on Advanced and paste it here. Now you can try this dynamic island for Windows, or you can skip it. But for the minimalist look, you can install this. Click on Explore and search for it. Click on Details and install it. So I'm going to install dynamic island also. Click on Explore, search for it, click on Details and install. You can adjust the transparency, or you can change the theme here. And now for the acrylic effect, I'm going to install translucent windows. Click on Details. Okay, now click on settings and disable it, then click on save. After installing translucent windows, you may face problem like this. I'll show you how to fix it. Just search for the apps and open its file location. Then right click on it and click on properties. Then copy this target and open Windhawk. Then click on settings, advanced settings, more advanced settings, scroll down and paste it here and remove this quotation mark. Then click on save and restart. As you can see, it's fixed now. You can do this with apps you want. Now I'm going to install the dock. Open Nexus dock and install it. Uncheck this launch Nexus, click on finish and then open this folder, open dock folder and copy this dock icon folder, open this PC, open C drive and paste it here. Now copy this dock theme, then go to documents, open WinStep, Nexus, background and paste it here. Now double click to launch the Nexus dock. Click on this Nexus icon. Click on advanced, click on restore. And open this folder, open dock folder and select this dock backup file. Then click on OK. And now let me show you how much RAM and resources use this customization. So as you can see, Windhawk only consumes around 38 megabytes of RAM. Let me show you the Nexus dock. So Nexus dock only consumes around 18 megabytes. And if you want to remove this stuff, just go to hide icon. First right click on Windhawk, click on exit and also Nexus dock, then open control panel, click on uninstall program and just right click on Windhawk and click on uninstall. And for the Nexus dock, just right click on Nexus and click on uninstall. So it will remove rest of the stuff. And this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.